Hi, I'm Mr. Bowsley, one of the geography teachers here at Bearsgarth School, and I'm just going to talk you through the geography option in a little bit more detail. Ultimately, we want to give students a better understanding about the world in which they live in. We want students to understand kind of what the world was like, what it's like now, and how the world is changing, and the challenges and opportunities that exist that come with these changes as well. We don't just aim to teach geography content, but we want to develop skills that are transferable to any future career to give students more options. So students will develop inquiry skills, they'll develop critical thinking skills, they will develop like analytical skills as well as literacy and communication skills within geography, which will complement many other subjects, as well as give students the skills that they need to pursue any future career. If you want some more information about what course that we teach, we follow the AQA specification, and you can get access to this specification, which basically gives you a tick list of what we teach. If you just search that in a search engine like Google, just type in GCSE Geography AQA specification, and you'll find a document there which you can look through in a little bit more detail, which will give you some more guidance about how the course is assessed and specifically the subjects that are on there. I'll just talk you through our gateway program that we have in geography. So this is in year 9, where we look at an environmental issue in geography, and I've chosen to study oceans because oceans aren't on the GCSE content. There's not a lot on them, and considering they cover like 71% of the planet, I felt that was really important in which to cover this. We look at issues around trying to maintain the coral reefs that exist in the planet, considering global warming is threatening this unique ecosystem by 2050. Vast amounts of the coral reefs will become extinct. So I feel this is definitely an environmental issue that students should be aware of. And we're also looking at the threat of plastic pollution. As the world population has more than doubled since the 1960s, and technology has improved to a point where we can now manufacture plastic at such a large scale, and because it can be produced cheaply, its disposal becomes a massive problem, and students will explore this as well in their gateway project. As well as looking at these environmental issues, students will get to explore their own. Why choose geography? Well, if you ask yourself questions about why does something happen, why is it the way it is, what's going to happen in the future, then geography is definitely a subject which will help you and give you that understanding about why things are the way they are, and help you understand the way that things need to go or how they will go in the future to make the world a better place. If you are interested and you want a little bit more info, feel free to pop me an email and I'll answer any questions that way.